Have you ever looked at your bank account and wondered, where did all your money go? At the start of the month, you promise yourself this time will be different. No unnecessary spending. No impulse buying. But somehow, before the month even ends, your salary disappears. The truth is, it's not just about money, it's about psychology. Most people believe they overspend because they don't earn enough. But something interesting happens when people start earning more money. They often start spending more too. Why? Because the human brain is wired to chase pleasure today, not security tomorrow. When you see a discount, when you buy a new phone, or when you order food online after a long day, your brain releases a chemical called dopamine. Dopamine is the same chemical responsible for happiness and excitement. Every time you spend money, your brain feels a small reward. And slowly, without realizing it, your brain begins to associate spending with happiness, and that's where the cycle begins. Now, imagine you get a salary increase. You believe life will finally become easier. You think you'll save more money, but something else happens. You upgrade your lifestyle. A better phone, more dining out, more subscriptions, more online shopping. This is called lifestyle inflation. Your income increases, but your expenses grow right along with it, and slowly, your financial stress stays exactly the same. Now think about something else. Why do people buy expensive clothes? Why do they upgrade their phones every year? Most of the time, it's not because they truly need them. It's because everyone around them seems to have them. Social media shows a world where everyone looks rich, successful, and happy. Vacations, new cars, luxury dinners. But what we don't see are the credit card bills behind those pictures. Without even realizing it, people start spending money just to keep up with others. And that's where the real trap begins: spending. Money creates the illusion that life is improving. Buying things feels like progress, but real financial freedom doesn't come from spending. More, it comes from controlling your behavior with money, because money problems are rarely about numbers. They are about habits, emotions, and psychology. The biggest difference between people who stay broke and people who build wealth is not their salary. It's their behavior with money. The moment you understand the psychology behind your spending, you stop being controlled by money and you start controlling it. And that one shift can completely change your financial future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and powerful insights about money and financial awareness.